What's up, y'all? Welcome to another video. I figured I'd make a video of this because I've been needing to do this for a while. But a while ago, when my bumper was ripped off, my headlight was busted, as you can tell. And I'm tired of seeing this condensation. I got a headlight at the junkyard the other day, and so I'm gonna install it. First things first, you're gonna have like a 8mm or 10mm bolt up here. I only have a zip tie. And then you're going to take out all the clips up top, right there. There'll be another 10mm bolt up here. I got a zip tie. And then down here, let's see. There's 1 and 2 clips that hold the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these clips out. 2 on the bottom, 4 up top. Ooh, actually 5. And then we'll pull it off. I realized there's another bolt that goes right here. So I'm sorry I skipped that, y'all. I just never put those bolts back in. Alright, y'all, kind of got ahead of myself here. Just set them back up here. So this is what it's gonna look like once you got the bumper off. And the way these are held on is there's 1 bolt up here, 1 right here holding the bracket in the headlight, and then there's just 2 bolts down here. So you're gonna have to remove the bracket with it, but that's all right. My new headlight, it has nice rubber right here, but it's got like paint right here. So at some point I'll make a video of me cleaning the paint off and buffing my headlights. But yeah, again, it's just 2 bolts. One's over here. Not just 2 bolts. There's 2 bolts over here, 1 right here, and 1 up here. And don't forget to put this on your new headlight. Glad I opened this because I realized this thing was burnt out a while ago. Look at that. That's why you want to replace your headlights when they're cracked and building condensation. Because this puppy right here blew, and you could see the corrosion in there is all green. So I'm probably gonna clean that out before I put this together. Check out poor man's cold air intake. I just wanted to show y'all. I've cleaned it as best I can. Later I'm gonna get like some emery cloth and lightly emery cloth it, or like a piece of sandpaper. But here's my little aftermarket 194 LED. That's what size these bulbs are that go in here. They're 194s. But yeah, look at that. I think you could tell what side burned up. But now that I did that, I'm gonna finally install my junkyard headlight. She ain't the prettiest, but it was the cleanest one that was at the junkyard, so I'm gonna make do with what I got. And like I said, this has good rubber. The only downside is this paint, but I figured I could clean that off. It's better than a cracked headlight. And I'm pretty sure I could just buff this guy and he'll be looking brand new like that. All right, so let's install this. So here's the junkyard headlight in. And this is what I meant by like the rubber's in like perfect shape. And you can kind of see this part's pushed in a little, so I had to like bend it up, bend it out, bend the tab that these 2 prongs go into. And well, it looks real good. Best I could get it right now. Oh dang, you know what I just noticed? The backing of this headlight's gray and this one's black. Lame. I didn't notice that at all, but hey, it's gonna work for now, and at some point I'll just take it out and paint it black on the outside. Definitely looking forward to cleaning this damn headlight. Just look how bad that looks. It's like night and day. Factory side, it's never been messed up. And then junkyard side, that's probably on a Honda that's never been taken care of. And check that out. Even the hue looks weird with that LED in there. Crazy. Well, now I'm gonna just put it back together. Again, there's 1 bolt right here, 1 right here, one's over here, and then there's 2 down here, and that's about it. I'm gonna finish putting the bumper on, and that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. If you're replacing your headlights, you just take the bumper off, and again, this bolt, these 2 bolts, this bolt right here, and this one, and that's all that's holding this in. Well, I'm glad it's pretty slow at work, because for the longest time I had a huge gap right here on the headlight, and I couldn't get it this smooth on the fender. But now, with a little bit of moving and stuff, I've gotten it really smooth on each side. I even got this headlight to be more smooth at the fender. It's really just the rubber that's messed up, but yeah, it's looking better than it was. And then when I was at it, these screws have always been loose, and I was worried they're gonna fall out, so I put a nut and bolt on this side, and this one I just tightened a little more. But yeah, that's about it. Next episode or next video, I'll clean the headlight, so we'll see if it looks any better than it does now. But yeah.